Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix this error. The application was unable to start correctly. The first thing you're going to do is search for control panel, and let's open this up. At the top right part of this window, we can click on it and set it as view by category. And from here, we're going to click on programs. And let's click on turn Windows features on or off. This window will pop up, and make sure that you have enabled both the .NET Framework 3.5 and the .NET Framework 4.8. Make sure that the boxes are ticked like this, and once you have done that, just click on OK. And if you see a window of updating it, just choose the one that says let Windows update and download the files. And once you have done that, close this Windows and try opening your application again. If that does not work, go to this PC. We can search for it. Let's open this and let's open up our C drive. From here, let's go to the Windows folder and let's find the folder that says System32. Open it, scroll down, and we are going to delete this file. You can click on any file on the list and hit the X key on your keyboard to easily navigate to this file right here, xinput1_3.dll. Select that and right click on it, and we are going to delete this one. Now let's go back to the Windows folder, and this time we are going to open this folder syswow64, and we are going to delete the same file. Select any item on this folder and hit X on your keyboard, and let's go to the same file and delete it as well. After that, open any browser that you have, and we're going to search for DirectX. And this first search will pop up, DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer. So click on that, move down a bit, and you should be able to see the download option. So hit the download option, and we're going to run the setup file. Just open it up, click on yes, and click on I accept, next, and let's uncheck to install the Bing bar. Click on next, and it will start installing the components. On next again, and once the setup is finished, just click on finish right here and try opening your application once again, and it should now work. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.